Rahim, social behavior. Today we will discuss about that what is social behavior among different type of animals. The social behavior, the different types of interaction between member of same species. When the different type of interaction come between the member of the same species, this is known as social behavior. If the predation is excluded, the interaction between member of different species, also known as social behavior. That is not, the social behavior is not between the member of a single species. They may be between the member of the different species. For example, if the predation is excluded, the predation is not included in this list, then the interaction between the member of the different species is also known as social behavior. The animal assemble for different purposes. They assemble for food purposes to get food easily. They assemble for shelter purposes to get shelter easily. And they assemble for reproduction purposes to reproduce and enhance its races. For these three purposes, the animal accumulate or assemble in a single places. Now, why the social behavior is so important? What is the importance of the social behavior? How animal social behavior get and what are their importance? The social behavior is very important because provide more protection from predator. When the animals are combined, live together, they easily protect himself from the predator. For example, the soldier bees and the honey bees, they protect the whole hive from any type of enemy or any type of predator. This is important of social behavior. The second important, most efficient predation. They can easily get their food and they can easily target their prey because they are combined. The third importance, in congested farm, they save more energy and cold weather. And cold weather, during winter, they are in congested farm, close to one another. Due to body touch, they can easily warm and protect himself from the effect of the cold weather. The fourth, they easily mate with each other because both the partners are available. There are a lot chances for the mating, so they can easily mate and easily reproduce. And the fifth importance is rear of young one are easy. They can rear their young one easily because they are in congested farm. They are united and easily can care their young one. Besides these importance, they have some disadvantages also. Animals live together, compete or between these they quarrel with each other for food and mating. They are in trying to get more and more food and easily mate with the partner. For these purposes, they can compete with each other. As well as when the family, a giant family are the members of different species live together, they can easily help due to the congested environment. Now, in social behavior, what is agonistic behavior? The agonistic behavior, the behavior in which the animal show aggression. The animal show aggression. And common, the agonistic behavior are antisocial. They are not social behavior, not included in social behavior list if we observe. But animal show antagonistic behavior for the purpose to maintain law and order situation in the territory. In the territory, they apply agonistic behavior because to maintain the law and order situation. This type of behavior is known as agonistic behavior. Now, territorial animals, the animal which reserve a specific area for breeding and rearing of young one. This area is known as territory, and the animal which farm their own territory is known as territorial animal. Their territory are found for the purpose to get food easily, to get shelter easily, and reproduce easily and favorable environment. The animal farm territory for few purposes. They farm the territory to get food easily, to get shelter easily, to reproduce easily, and favorable environment. The territory are farmed for the protection to protect himself from the member of the same species or from the member of other species. The territory are mainly farmed by the male member of the species, and they protect this territory from the male of the same species as well as the other member of the species. The third behavior is altruism. The altruism is a type of behavior in which an animal sacrifices its own reproductive potential and benefit the other animals. The condition in which an animal sacrifices its own reproductive potential for the benefit of the other individual of the species. For example, in acoustic communication, sound communication, some member of the species, some member of the other species produce a warning alarm. These alarming target the member to the predator, and the predator comes and punish him. That is why they sacrifice itself as a reproductive potential, but give the chance to other, give the life chances to the other member of the species. This type of behavior is known as altruism.